dog's doing this?
You are bad humans. You did not keep your promise.
Another one down there?
No, of course I don't! That's no spirit, that's an alien!
What?
There's no doubt about it! That hood, it's a Flatwoods monster! They were first seen in America in a town called Flatwoods. Later they were seen here, in Japan, in Yamanashi. They're usually 3 meters tall, but this one's bigger!
Okay, if it's an alien, then how come the other doorbell rang? It's only for evil spirits!
I read studies that said people who see psychic phenomena also see stuff like UFOs! Facts seem to point to ghosts and aliens having something in common!
Then the aliens from yesterday sent him? Those stubborn jerks! If we don't figure out how to deal with him fast, that fog will kill us! There's no way I can use my power to fight that thing and keep a lid on your curse.